Karen, thanks for having me.
Nice, welcome.
So tell us, where are we right now?
We are in heaven. It's called Forte Chocolates. It's my little downtown chocolate shop, and it's stuffed to the gills with yum.
I would imagine if I did end up in heaven that it would be something similar to this based on what I'd want, because oh my gosh. So obviously you have to like chocolate a ton to get into this business. How did that start?
It started by me not liking chocolate, actually. I grew up on other types of candy.
You didn't like chocolate growing up?
No, it wasn't very good. But my husband's a chocoholic, so got to keep him happy. So I went into culinary school when I hurt my back, and I wanted to learn how to cook. And they had a culinary side and a pastry side, and chocolate was in the pastry side, so all right, I'll learn that. And it was there that I made my first ganache, and I literally fell in love with chocolate. It was like getting married or having a baby.
Just game, set, match, this is what you're doing.
This is what I'm gonna do for the rest of my life, and that's when I discovered what real chocolate is.
So you make real chocolate?
Real chocolate.
So what is real chocolate to you? Like, what does that mean?
Real ingredients, things that come from the cacao bean. Not just brown colored candy. Chocolate is one of those things that tests me and captures my attention in every way you can. It's a crystalline structure, so I got to go and teach to chemistry students at University of Washington just last week. And it's physics in making sculptures, and if you make a mistake, you get to eat it.
Right, it's like, oh, well, okay, we'll do this one and then we'll maybe start over.
Yeah, and it just, so many flavors that can come up with the different beans and how you pair it with different ingredients. And then every little truffle is like a 1-inch canvas that has to be as beautiful on the outside as the inside. I mean, it's the ultimate challenge, and I get to do it every day. We have won several world golds. The Sea Salt Caramel won in 2016. It's the highest award a chocolate cake can get.
Award?
A world award. So not just America, not just Washington, but the entire world, going against Germany and Japan and you name it. So people forget that someone's got to win, right? So it could be right in your hometown. Downtown rocks, and it seems slow, and it seems like nothing's really going on until you get out of your car and start walking.
And there's a lot
and it's
going
just
on,
like,
yeah.
oh my gosh, these magical wonderlands. Every time you open a door, you just find a whole different life behind that door. It's kind of cool.
Well, I'm glad that you let us into your little chocolate life here, because this is really, really neat. So,
everyone needs chocolate.
that's accurate. Well, thank you again for having me here.
You're
Appreciate
welcome.
it. This is a really cool place.
Thanks.